Hey, we are back. We're finally going to restore CR250R. Suspension is completely shot, absolutely shot. I'll show you in a second. Ready? I don't know if you can actually see, but look. Ready? Two hands. Oh! But first, I'm gonna take off the number plates or actually the numbers, because I am not 69 anymore. I am actually 118. Just gonna heat this up a little bit, make it soft and come out. Ramp her up. Really simple. Ooh. See, that's what the plastic's supposed to look like. Oh! Ooh. Man, throwback to my first SRA race. I think it was like a 45-minute moto. Ooh, that looks better. All right, for the front forks, we have two 12s. There's some Allens right there. 100. There we go. Finally got a breaker bar. There we go. Ooh, she's loose. I actually gotta hurry up here because I'm gonna leave here for work. Gotta do work late tonight. See what happens when you take care of your shit? You put Molly on everything. Like, look at this. This is just spins and spins and spins. Kinda. Spanker. Actually, that's all loose. Just like that. Just like how I'm gonna leave your mom. Easy peasy. Alright, we're back. He's out. Ooh. Because I don't think these are stock triple clamps. There we go. Oh, actually I gotta disconnect the caliper first. Oh, wow. Not quite. Okay. Oh, actually, gotta do this first. Those are pretty small. One down. Let's see how bad this is. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, definitely need to be redone. Ta-da! Second one. Let's see this one. Yeah. Not good. I'm simply just gonna. That was loose. Take these off. On here so the guy does not get mad. Look bad at all. Oh, wrong size. The other one off. Jeez. Alright, so we got both all taken apart, no bolts. Next is going to be the back shock. Should be pretty easy. There's a top mounting bolt right there, so I probably definitely have to take off the gas tank. Just like that. Oh, it's like glued on there. I don't know about that. Let's see. Get a flathead. Ooh, there she is. Easy peasy. Oh yeah, dude, she's dirty. Holy, look at that. But easy access to the rear shock. It looks like we just gotta take. Let's see, which one is exactly? Oops, that one right there. Pretty easy. Pretty simple on the rear linkage. I'm definitely gonna clean all this right now. And we gotta take off the top shock bolt. Ooh, there we go. That was a little too easy. So I know Easy peasy. Definitely got to put more moly on here. Okay. Okay. All right. We got the shock bolt out pretty easy. Luckily, nothing is seized. Okay, I probably have to take the subframe off. Holy Lord, what the heck even is this? Bro, it's like one of those people, like, they ride, like, the handlebars with, like, the kiddie thing with the horses. But, yeah, I'm definitely gonna do some cleaning, widowy. We are back. It has been about, 4 hours. I tried to do deep cleaning. I mean, I think I did pretty well. I mean, it looks, way better than previously. Whole head, everything inside. Definitely gonna need some new O-rings for the swing arm that I have to order from here. I also have to clean that. But dude, look at, she looks pretty good. Like, man, look at that. That's for a 2000 bike, or a 25-year-old bike. I gotta rebend this because you can see this is kind of against a crankcase. But yeah, we are going to Quia Creek tomorrow again. I gotta clean everything. Holy. Yeah, we're going to Quia Creek tomorrow. Just gotta clean everything. Get this puppy ready for Thursday because we're going to Glen Helen Thursday to test out the suspension. It's gonna be tits. I can't wait. Get a vacuum that right there.